Hey guys, I'm gonna show you today what I found for my 2010 Mazda 6. After 5 or 6 years of search, I finally found the bumper lip that would fit this car, which is this one. It's not made for Mazda 6, but I like the shape of it, and I was planning to make it fit for my car. This bumper lip is for Subaru 2006-2007. Very nice shape, I love it. It's a very nice product. So I'm gonna try to make it work on my 2010 Mazda 6 US model. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna remove this this factory lip. I already cut this end a long time ago, and in order to remove this, I'm just gonna unscrew all these screws. So what I did, I took a wide and a big screwdriver and just pull this down. Should come right out. There. Great. One, it's coming out. Okay, the installation now. The first thing I had to do is to secure the ends temporarily. Okay. Then I marked when I'm gonna drill some holes in the front, because I want to use the factory screws with this plastic at the same time. What I did, I cut it in the back here, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side because I don't need that extra there. Okay, the lip is done. Absolutely amazing. Almost perfect fitment. Look at the shape here. Perfect, perfect. Now, my only problem is here. My only problem is right now this is a bit too long here, and I'm gonna cut it down straight here and remove all that piece inside. I'm gonna leave this because I like it the way it is on the side, a bit longer, but I'm just gonna cut it so that I don't have any clearance issues with my tire. What I also did on the side here, I cut this one because it was too low, just to make it parallel with the ground. And what I'm using this tool, which is great. I'm gonna show you. Put some tape to protect, and then I'm gonna cut it nicely. The bumper looks great, I love it. Okay, this is the final product. Pretty awesome, I love it. Yeah. See on the sides.